Welcome to my mini Archi tour. This is the part 2 of my Tomas Morato project. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kanilang bedroom. It is a one huge space wherein meron tayong separate area for the kids' bedroom. So, ito yung kanilang area. Yan. So, they do have a customized bed on this side. Plus, gusto natin na medyo soft pa rin siya. So, we do have the cushion for the headboard. And then, we do have our built-in sliding wardrobe wherein complete siya with our shelves and also our drawers. And on this corner naman, we do have this long customized table which serves as their study table and their vanity area. So, meron din tayong drawers here. Yan. So, going through this space naman, this one is actually their master bedroom. So, we do have this customized queen-size bed wherein naglagay pa rin tayo ng soft touch for the cushion for our headboard. And then, mirror for illusion na mas malaki pa yung space. And then, syempre, mga storage units, overhead cabinets with our accent LED lighting. And then, on this two sides, meron tayong tall cabinet for their wardrobe area. And then, on this side naman is actually their vanity table. So, meron din tayong, of course, drawers here. And then, yung ating LED mirror. And then, this door naman leads to our ensuite toilet and bath. So, we do have their lavatory here, the water closet on this side, and a good size shower area with our built-in shelves here. So, that's it for our bedroom. Bye!